night, dear. Mwah. You look delightful. Oh, and storyteller, you look delightful as well. In fact, everyone looks delightful. And the decorations are delightful. And the gifts are, Now, what's the word I'm looking for?
Delightful?
Delightful.
Your Majesty, do you think that Princess Briar Rose will like my present?
Oh, I'm certain it's delightful. Oh, my. Yes, well, of course. I mean, who wouldn't like a jar full of flies? Now, let me see. Everyone's given their gift. Except fairy number 12. Why, she's the last gift giver. I wonder where she could be.
I'm not sure. What did the other fairies give?
Oh, you know, the usual. Goodness, kindness, beauty. She's got that already. Oh, what's this from number 10? Oh, my. The grace of a ballerina.
Beautiful dreamer, awaken to me.
From fairy number 5, a beautiful singing voice. You know, the same thing they've been giving for years.
Oh, yes, Your Majesty, but this is the first year that they've given all of their gifts to the same person.
What about my gift?
Ribbit!
Puff! What a lovely little party I wasn't invited to. So, you're having a little gift-giving party without me, are you? Well, I've decided to give the princess a gift anyway. I shall be the last gift giver. Oh, no, you're wrong about that. Fairy number 12 hasn't given her...
Your Majesty!
But fairy number 12 is the last...
Your Majesty!
Fairy number 12 is...
An angry fairy is not a good fairy.
Oh, good point. So this is the new princess. Hello, little Briar Hello, little Briar Hello, little Briar Quiet!
It's her party, and she'll cry if she wants to.